In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Doordash payment error. If your Doordash order keeps getting declined at checkout, don't worry, most payment errors come down to a few quick fixes. We'll walk through three things: confirming your card details are correct, refreshing your payment setup by removing and re-adding the card, and making sure your bank is approving the charge. First, check your card details because even a tiny typo can cause an instant failure. Open the DoorDash app, go to the Account tab, and choose Payment Methods. Find the card you're trying to use and carefully compare what's saved in DoorDash to what's on your physical card. Look closely at the full card number, the expiration date, and the CVV, the 3 or 4 digit security code on your card. If anything is off, fix the errors right there and save your changes. Also confirm the card isn't expired. When everything matches, go back and try your payment again. Make sure you select the corrected card at checkout so DoorDash charges the right one. If the details are correct but it's still failing, refresh the payment setup. In payment methods, tap the card you've been using and remove it. Then add it again by choosing Add Payment Method, entering the card number, expiration date, and CVV one more time, and saving. This resets the connection between DoorDash and your card provider, which often clears out old or corrupted info. Take your time typing the numbers and do this on a stable internet connection to avoid timeouts. After saving, head back to checkout and try the order again. Finally, check your balance and your bank. Make sure the card has enough available funds and that there aren't any temporary holds or daily limits getting in the way. Some banks automatically decline online or unfamiliar charges to protect you. Open your banking app or website to see if there's a decline message or a verification prompt, and approve the transaction if your bank asks. If the card is blocked or you keep seeing declines, contact your bank and let them know you're making a DoorDash purchase so they can lift a security hold or allow the merchant. That's it. Verify the card details, remove and re-add the card to refresh it, and confirm your bank is on board. With those steps, most DoorDash payment errors clear up in just a few minutes.